Hi! You shut up, my love, because I'm making my video. Hi! Ako, tagkasabaran ako banana kasamo. We're here in... What is this here, my love?
Boom gears.
Boom Gears. Sa mga flower shop. Flower shop, ano siya? Dala ng mga... Tawag nito? Mga pananim at mga gamit din para sa pagtatanim. Lahat meron na. Oh, tingnan nyo, diba? $10 ito siya. Wow, this one very pretty, look. Ito siya, $10. Ganito na kadami. We really think this one can live in the cold time?
I don't know, babe.
Because, you know, sabi ni David, nabubuhay daw to sa malamig, pero iwan ko lang, nako. Sayang naman kasi kung mamamatay lang din, and then, tingnan nyo, $10 na po. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak, tingnan nyo, o, diba? Ayun. Ito naman ay mix. Ito na mamatay dahil nilabas nila, dahil hindi ito nabubuhay pag malamig. Ayan pa, ang daming mga bulaklak. What's the name of that? Oh yeah, I know this.
This is 50% off. They're $20 for them.
What's the name of this?
It's not. Oriental tree.
I think I saw
right
this in online.
Mongolia.
Magnolia, Mongolia. He said Mongolia, Magnolia. Oh my God. Ay, wow, yeah. Ang daming magaganda. Ayan, ang daming bulaklak, oh. Bumili na kasi ako niyan dati, saka na dismaya ako dahil namatay yung aking ganyan, eh. Ang mahal pa naman. Huh? What is this, my love? This is
Ruby Perfection.
cabbage, the violet one.
It's not cabbage.
Look,
Oh, it
cabbage.
is cabbage. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry about that.
Ay. Violet ito yung ano.
Yeah, it's like the one.
Ito naman yung cabbage na ginagamit natin most kadalasan sa Pinas. Matures in 60 to 70 days. Fruit size 1.6 kilo.
Look.
Pili na kami, oh. Ayan.
See if we can make it grow.
Bubuhayin muna namin yan, ha, para magkaroon ng fruits. Ayan, meron din silang mga flower base. Look, my love, the flower base. For what? We already have. Tingnan nyo naman kung magkano, oh. Ganito. $100, binuo ko. Sa kwarta sa Pilipinas is 5,000 plus. Ganyan lang. Ano ba yan? To have perfume, my love. Oh, tingnan nyo, meron din silang mga salver dito. Wow, look, my love, I like that, oh.
Look at the heart one right there.
This is salver, like not getting ano.
Huh?
One, oh, wow. So sexy, no belly. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa aming sasakyan. Tapos na kami bumili ng perfume and some plants, and also I buy horse, the small one, not big one, ha, kasi hindi
It's in the
mapapasok
back.
sa
You can't see it.
it's for the house, decorate, for decoration. And then now we're going to, where we go, my love?
Holy World.
Wally World. We're going to buy meats for our dinner, for our
Anniversary.
My husband going to cook the one that I love. And I will show you later. And see
Stay
you.
tuned.